Good morning, students. Now let's do the questions of the exercise. A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. बेटा एक क्वेश्चन, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मीन सॉल्यूशन. एक वायर है, इट इज़ कट इनटू 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स. बेटा इसका रेजिस्टेंस R है. अगर हम इसके 5 पार्ट्स कर देते हैं 2, 3, 4, 5, ये इसको 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में कर दिए हैं. देन द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ ईच पार्ट क्या होगा? R/5 मीन्स ये जो वायर है इसका भी R/5, इसका भी R/5, 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 R/5. तो ईच पार्ट हैज़ रेजिस्टेंस R/5. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दीज पार्ट्स आर देन कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. अब बेटा इनको ऐसे करके पैरेलल में कनेक्ट कर दिया. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question is then the ratio of R upon R dash. R means initial resistance upon R dash means after connecting them in parallel. You know the resistance of each wire is R/5, 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 R/5. Now R dash means the resistance after connecting these 5 resistance in parallel. So 1 upon R dash equal to, we know that in parallel combination 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4 plus 1 upon R5. Here R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 are Rp5 all. So 1 upon R dash equal to 1 upon R upon 5 plus 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 1 upon R upon 5. So 1 upon R dash equal to R upon 5 will become 5 upon R. By taking LCM, R is LCM, then 5, 5, it is 25. So R dash equal to R upon 25. We have to calculate R upon R dash. So R upon R dash equal to R upon R by 25, which is equal to R upon R into 25 will come here. So the ratio become 25:1. So this is the answer. 25:1 means answer. Then the ratio of R upon R dash is 25. If they ask for the ratio, you have to put 25:1, and if they are just asking what is the value of R upon R dash, then you have to write 25. Which of the following terms does not represent the power in the circuit? Beta, while explaining the topic, I told you that 3 formulas of power are P equal to VI, number 2 P equal to I square R, and the third one is V square upon R. Now this is known, this is known, this is known, so this is incorrect. The question is does not represent electrical power, so it is IR square. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt. Question 3. बेटा एक बल्ब है, 220 वोल्ट इस पे सप्लाई हो रही है. मीन्स सपोज ये बल्ब है, 220 वोल्ट इसको सप्लाई हो रही है. नेक्स्ट, व्हेन इट इज ऑपरेट एंड 100 वाट, इसकी पावर है 100 वाट. ठीक है. अब अगर हमें पावर पता है, वोल्टेज पता है, वी विल कैलकुलेट आर बिकॉज रेजिस्टेंस इज कांस्टेंट फॉर द बल्ब. बल्ब का रेजिस्टेंस कांस्टेंट है. हमें क्या निकालना है कि व्हेन इट इज़ ऑपरेटेड ऑन 110 वोल्ट द पावर कंज्यूम्ड विल बी. उसके बाद आपको इसकी पावर कंज्यूम निकालनी है अगर ये 110 वोल्ट पर काम करता है. अभी अगर ये 220 वोल्ट पर काम कर रहा है तो पावर तो 100 वाट है. तो लेट अस कैलकुलेट आर. तो वी कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज़ होगा? तो जिसमें हमें P भी पता है, V भी पता है और R निकालना है. सो दिस वन वी नो P इक्वल टू V स्क्वायर अपॉन में R और R इक्वल टू V स्क्वायर अपॉन में P. V is 220 into 220 upon what is P? 100. So it comes out to be 484 ohm. Now we have to calculate power, and we have voltage 110, V equal to 110 volt, and R equal to 484 ohm. So power equal to V square upon R, which is equal to 110 into 110 upon 484. This comes out to be 2505. 11.5. It is 25. We have to calculate power, watt. So power is 25 watt. This is the correct answer. Two conducting wires of same material and of equal length and equal diameter are first connected in series and then in parallel. The fourth question. टू कंडक्टिंग वायर्स हैं. सपोज दो वायर्स है, एक बार तो उनको सीरीज में कनेक्ट किया और दूसरी बार उनको पैरेलल के अंदर. दे आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. सपोज इट्स रेजिस्टेंस इज आर, इट्स आल्सो आर. दे आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल लाइक दिस. नाउ इन सीरीज टोटल आर एस इक्वल टू आर प्लस आर इक्वल टू 2R. इन पैरेलल 1 अपॉन आर पी इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन आर प्लस 1 अपॉन आर equal to 2 upon R, or Rp equal to R upon 2. This is the resistance in parallel and resistance in series. Now question is equal diameter first connected in series then in parallel across the same potential difference. The ratio of the heat produced in series and parallel combination would be. Now the formula of heat produced. Same potential दिया है and we know R. So the formula of heat produced is H equal to V square upon R. Now heat produced in series, firstly they are asking series then parallel. Heat produced in series equal to V in V square, let it be V square upon में 2R. Heat produced in parallel equal to V square upon, now the resistance is R by 2. So H heat produced in series upon heat produced in parallel equal to V square upon 2R upon 2V square upon R, which is equal to V square upon 2R into R upon 2V square. R cancels with this, V square. This will become 1 upon 4, or 1:4 is the answer. This was question number 4. Now question number 5. Question 5. How is voltmeter connected in circuit to measure the potential difference? Beta, it is always connected in parallel. A copper wire. This answer I told you while explaining the potential difference also, beta. A copper wire has a diameter of 0.5 millimeter. Better suppose this is a copper wire. Its diameter is 0.5. This one is the diameter 0.5 millimeter. Resistivity means rho 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Then what will be the length of this wire? L equal to, we have to calculate, resistance 10 ohm. How much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled? That we'll do later on. Firstly we have to calculate L. We know that R equal to rho into L upon A. So where r is 10 equal to rho is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 into L we have to calculate upon area. We know that it has the circular cross section, so area of the circle A equal to pi r square, but here we know diameter is 0.5 millimeter. Convert millimeter into meter. 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Now radius will be 0.5 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, and pi r square will be 22 by 7 into 0.5 by 2 means 0.25 into 10 to the minus 3 whole square. So area is pi r square. Here area will become 22 by 7 into 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square. 10 equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 into L upon. How to solve this beta? Look here. 22 upon 7 into 0.25 whole square means 0.25 into 0.25 into 10 to the power 3 to the 6. It will become like this. Now on cross multiplication, if we cross multiply it, what we will get? Look here. L equal to 10 into 22 by 7 into 0.25 into into 10 to the power minus 6. Beta, this will become denominator now, upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now how to solve it? Look here beta. 22 by 7 into 1.6 means decimal is after one digit, so 10 will become 100 into 25 by 100 into 25 by 100, 16 into 10 to the minus 6 upon 10 to the minus 8. This 100 cancels with this 100. 22 by 7, 25 1, 4, 11, 8, by 22, no, it will become 11 upon 7 into 25 upon 8 into 4 into 10 power minus 6 plus 8. 11 upon 7 into 25 upon 32 into 10 to the power 2. On solving this we get beta L equal to 122.7 meter. Now next part is how much does the resistance change if the diameter is doubled. बेटा अगर डायमीटर में डबल आ जाते हैं तो रेजिस्टेंस में क्या चेंज आएगा वो समझो. वी नो R इक्वल टू रो L अपॉन A, R dash equal to rho into L upon. The formula of A is pi r square. Pi r square means pi. If diameter is doubled, according to question, diameter is doubled. If diameter is doubled means radius is also doubled. So pi into 2r का square. So r dash equal to rho into L upon pi into 4r square of small r, which is equal to 1 upon 4 into rho L upon pi r square, or r dash equal to 1 upon 4 into rho into L upon pi r square. Rho into L upon area was 10, so it was 10. So new resistance equal to 1 upon 4 into 10, which is equal to 2.5. Means resistance become 1/4. Now next question is